Sanding 3D prints is the most common polishing method. Sanding by hand is a time-consuming process, and you can't guarantee a professional finish. Small particles of plastic become airborne, and inhaling that dust from the sanding process can be harmful. Using steamed chemicals treatment is another method, but those machines for it can be very expensive. So, we designed a low-cost chemical steaming machine, PolySmoother. PolySmoother is a user-friendly, affordable polishing tool. PolySmoother has power, time, and temperature controls for ease of use. Choose the appropriate solvent, set the temperature, and place the print into the container. Then, turn on the machine and the polishing process will take 5 to 10 minutes. The solvent will be heated and will evaporate. After the smoothing treatment, let the print air dry and enjoy its smooth, beautiful form. All the layered lines disappear, and only the clean and smooth surface is left. Regardless of the size of the print and whether it is a simple or complex structure, you can use the PolySmoother and process your builds. PolySmoother has a simple look, and you will be amazed by how powerful it is. PolySmoother is designed to be durable and is made from stainless steel. It has a glass lid for easy observation of what is going on inside, as well as to preserve the temperature and prevent leakage. You can also tie some string to your print and hang it within the container for better finishing. We hope to contribute to the 3D printing community by bringing this project to life. Please back our Kickstarter project to help us achieve our goals.